Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. My name is Allis, and for today's video we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. I just cannot believe how fast time is playing us these days. It's really trying it right now. Time is really trying it. If you do not know, I like to try on every product that I get in the box just to kind of give you a feel or a first impression of every single product that we get in the box. That way you guys can kind of see what my thoughts are on all these products and all that good stuff. There is a surprise in this video. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the box this month. So the first thing that I have here is the little card that we get every month, which gives you like a little bit of a description of every single product that we're getting, as well as the price point and the value of every product. Wow, that's really washed out. Sorry. One of the favorites from this month's box is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. You guys, I'm so excited to be getting this in the box this month because I did a video on this, which you guys seem to be loving, and I'm so excited you guys love that video. I love the video, so I'm really excited that you guys were feeling it too. I'm not going to keep you guys here forever and go on and on and on about how amazing this palette is. I'm just going to direct you to that video because I go in depth. I give you swatches, I give you an eye look, I tell you the whole deal on this palette, and I pretty much go on and on and on about how amazing it is. I'm going to put a card somewhere up here to redirect you guys to that video if you are interested in seeing my full-on, in-depth first impression review on this palette. If you want to see it, go ahead and click that. So I'm not going to go too in depth, but just know this palette is absolutely amazing. We also got this Luxie trio set, which I absolutely love. Luxie brushes, they're really soft, really great quality, and they're pretty affordable for the most part. This is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion trio. You get a face brush, you get a highlighting brush, and you get a duo fiber powder brush, and this goes for $42, this trio set, which is already valued at double of what you're paying for the box, which is only 21 bucks. We also got some lashes. I love getting lashes in Boxycharm. We don't get them enough, so whenever they come, it's like a sweet little treat because I just love trying out new lashes. I don't know why, but lashes are the thing that like I don't really like to buy when it comes to makeup. Like when it comes to makeup, I'm like a huge splurger when it comes to my palettes, when it comes to my foundations. I do love good lashes, but I could do like Ardell lashes from like Walmart, and I'm good with that. You know what I mean? So when it comes to Boxycharm sending us new lashes, I'm all about that life because I always like to try out some new brands, and if they're coming in my box, I'm not gonna say no. Right here are really beautiful, and they are from the brand Battington, and these are the Monroe silk lashes, and these go for $28. Really excited for this next product because I've been wanting to try it for so long, and I've never actually gotten around to it. This is the Sol de Janeiro. I've heard this being pronounced many different ways, so I'm not sure what's the proper way. I've heard it being pronounced Sol de Janeiro, and I've heard it being pronounced Sol de Janeiro. I don't know if one of the versions is totally butchering what the actual way to pronounce it is, or I'm not sure if I'm saying it wrong completely, but regardless of the fact, this is the little mini size Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is a travel size, and this goes for $10. Okay, this is like a moment of truth right now because everybody always talks about how good this smells, and I've never actually smelled it, so let's get in on this moment right now. Oh, wow. Oh, girl. What are you doing, baby? It smells amazing, you guys. Okay, so what does this even describe the smell like? Because to me, I smell like vanilla. I smell citrus. Let's see. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. That smells amazing, though. Can I taste it? Would that be weird? Would that be really weird? Does anybody else have the tendency to want to taste things that smell really good? I don't know how I haven't been poisoned yet. Like, I stick my tongue in anything. Wait. Let's reel it in, girl. It's too wild. And the last products that I have are lip products. So this one is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Verona. And then we have a Jonte Blue Eyeliner Pencil. And this one is a dark brown shade. I thought it was a lip liner for a second. Jonte Blue pencil goes for $5. And the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, you guys already know. But if you don't know, I love me some Ofra liquid lipsticks. And these go for $21. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the eye look right here. I do have my eyes already prepped. I already have everything going on my face. I have all my bases on, my eyeshadow bases. I have my foundation on, my eyebrows, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to jump right into the eye look. So since I already used the blues in the palette, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use kind of like these down here to create a look today. So I'm going to keep it a little bit more on the neutral side today. So I'm going to jump right in with the shade Coco Taxi, which is right here. I'm going to put this shade all over my crease. The lashes are really nice. I would consider them to be like a little bit one-dimensional, just in the sense that they're all kind of like one length. Sometimes with false lashes, you have some that are really dramatic, really va-va-voom in your face, and you kind of have a play on all sorts of different lengths. But for this particular lash, I do feel like all of them were one length. Overall, I do like the lash. I think it's very comfortable. It was very easy to apply. The band was really flexible, which is important. When you have that stiff, tight band, it's really, really hard to work with. And I do not have patience for a difficult lash. I just don't. I feel like I'm gonna lose it. I start getting all angry. I get all in my feelings. I don't like difficult lashes, okay? And I consider them kind of like a nice cross between a daytime and a nighttime lash. It's pretty versatile. You can wear it for day and night. I would wear this with a smoky eye, and I'd also wear it with no actual eyeshadow on. So I think it's a really, really pretty eyelash, and I like it. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of this Jonte blue eyeliner, and I'm just gonna run this on my waterline. If you have sensitive eyes, you might not like this because this is pretty harsh. It went on good. I don't know if it has something to do with the fact that it's waterproof and it kind of has to be a little bit harsh, but I do find that the product itself is a little bit harsh for the waterline. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of highlight just so I can highlight my cheek with this, since it does say that it is a highlighting brush. I'm going to use the Reezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Very nice, very nice. This is really, really soft. So now I'm going to grab the liquid lipstick. This is the one by Ofra. Not sure if it matches this. Kind of does match. Okay. I see what you did there, girl. I love the color. It's obviously a brown, but it's not like a really deep brown, and it's not like a beige either. It's like a really nice in-between shade. I like it. I like it. I'm pretty much done with my makeup, so I'm just going to grab a little bit of the cream now and just put this on my body. That smells so good. I'm going to put it on my décolleté, or is it décolletage? I don't know. I'm not fancy like that. I have no idea how you say that. I'm going to go with décolleté. 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 I'm going to put it on my décolleté. Ooh, girl. That's soft. Oh my god. I'm in love with how this smells. It smells amazing. You guys, this cream, 20 out of 10. 20 out of 10 for this cream. Alright, you guys, so that is going to complete this look for today. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed it. You guys, this box, definite 20 out of 10. It was amazing. It was just how I expected it to be. Boxycharm hardly ever disappoints. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown of the overall value of this month's box. So this month's box, the value was $134, which is always crazy to me. It's just amazing how Boxycharm never ever ever disappoints and just gives you a box worth way more than the 20 bucks that you're paying for it. So now let's go ahead and jump right into the giveaway part of this video. I'm going to be giving away an Alamar Cosmetics palette to one of you guys as a thank you to you guys, because I did notice that in my picker pass for the Alamar Cosmetics. You guys were really feeling that video, and I'm so thankful and I'm so appreciative. So I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of you guys. And in order to enter, it's really, really simple. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, because that's obviously a given. I will be checking, so don't try to play me, girl. And just leave me a comment down below with a video suggestion for any future videos that you would like to see me do. It could be anything. You can tell me, hey, I would like to see a get ready with me. I would like to see another pick or pass. I would like to see, I love seeing Boxycharm videos. Girl, anything that you want to tell me, anything that your heart desires, let me know. Any video suggestions down below, and I will take that as your entry for this giveaway. So yeah, that's all you have to do, you guys. That's all I'm asking you to do. Really easy, right? Girl, I told you it was easy. I can't do difficult things, girl. I ain't about that life. I can't be doing nothing that's too difficult. This giveaway will end on July 1st, so you have a little bit over a week to enter. On July 1st, I will be putting everybody's names through a random name selector, and whoever wins that will win this giveaway. Before entering this giveaway, please make sure you're on point with your YouTube notifications, because I will probably have to reach out to you via YouTube. However that works, I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. So I will be reaching out to you that way via YouTube, because that's probably the only way that I will know how to reach out to you. So just make sure you're on point with that, because if you do not reply to me within the 24 hours, I'm gonna have to pick somebody else, and I don't want to have to do that. So just make sure that you are on point with your YouTube notifications. That way we can kind of keep it moving, and I can get your information, and I can ship you your palette. And I just want to say really quickly, thank you guys so much for those of you who have subscribed to my channel. I am so thankful, and I'm so blessed that you guys have taken a minute, a second, 30 seconds out of your day to just see what this channel is all about, and just to see what I'm all about. I really do appreciate it, because you don't have to be here, but you are, and you are choosing to be here. And for that, I am so unbelievably grateful. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. Girl, I want to see you coming back for more videos. I want to see you be a regular. I want to see you joining the crew. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.